Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can fix the one earbud is not working or the left earbud is not working for the JBL Waveflex. So it's like really simple. The first thing that you want to do is that there are like two things that we're gonna have to do. First, let's do a factory reset with phone, then we are going to do factory reset with the earbuds themselves. To do factory reset with your phone, it's super simple. You are going to have it right here. And when you're going to scroll down below to the bottom in the app on the JBL headphones, there you're going to find a support. And then you're going to have under FAQ, you're going to reset to factory settings. So you're going to press the reset the factory settings and you're going to reset them. This is the first step. The second step, what we can try to do is like also simple. So how it works, first the text, then we are going to do it together. Delete all JBL Waveflex earbuds pairing information on the connected device. So delete everything regards the resetting and removing from your phone. Then take both earbuds out of the charging case. So we're going to have them in a charging case. Press the malfunction touch button on both earbuds 2 times and press and hold the malfunction touch button on both earbuds for about 5 seconds and place the both earbuds in the charging case. So this is how it's going to look like. We're going to press it 2 times on both and put them back in. So how to do it? We have them in. Now we are going to take them out. Now we are going to press it 2 times and we're going to hold it on the third time for about 5 seconds. And then the blinking should like a little bit change. Like, do you see that? The blinking stopped there. Then we are going to put them back in and you're going to close it. So try it out. You can try it multiple times if it's going to work out, but this is how we're going to solve it. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.